guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer and my nails look ratchet. Check out the next vlog to be able to see me actually get my nails done and all of that. But today's video, I'm going to be getting my hair braided. I really want like a short layer braid thing, for example, but I don't want like the small knotless. I cannot sit through the small knotless, nor do I want to sit through, like, nor do I want to take the time to take those out. Y'all, I really can talk for real, I'm sorry. Nor do I want to wait to take them out. So I'm getting medium knotless, short, and I'm like hoping that like I can get the color blended, but we're gonna see. I'm going to a new braider. I've never been to this braider before, nor have I, like, I don't know anyone that's been to her, but she had really good reviews, so I'm really excited. She seems super nice. She told me I can literally record through coming through the door, so I'm gonna vlog this experience. So you guys are gonna see me get my hair braided, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, I'll update you guys afterwards, and I have to go brush my hair out to make sure that I got my hair like blow dried and trimmed.
Few inches later.
I get butterfly locks. I'm gonna have to pay somebody to like
take them out.
Yeah, because I literally cut my hair. You'll probably notice I cut my hair, take it out. Oh, you said I cut my hair, take it out my butterfly locks.
They are terrible. Everybody with their hair with the butterfly locks, the soft locks. I think that's how it goes. Cause like, it's a complicated process of how it's like attached.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I was so hurt.
There's a lot of the pink. I don't know if you can see that.
I like it.
Minus the end, you know we're doing.
Yeah. I like that.
You like that mix?
Yeah.
Okay, so keep mixing a lot of pink in it.
Yeah, I like that.
That is cute.
I can't, but I wanted them again. Thank you. I wanted them again because my hair was so moist. Because I go to school in the mountains, and like my hair was so moisturized. Like even in the freezing cold, like when I took those out, my hair was still so moisturized, and it just like was a long-lasting style. And I was like, wow, I really like this. But I don't know. One of my friends was like, the key is you have to get it done by somebody that you can like pay to take it out.
Take it out. You have to.
She was like, most people don't want to like take out other people's work. And I was like, true.
Because you just never know how somebody's tied that stuff up in there. Then now you in trouble. Ain't no telling, but a lot of people cut their hair off when they get that.
Yeah, it was just one piece, but I was still so hurt.
Hurt, yeah. Somebody cut their whole thing out, like the whole little braid, almost at the root, and it was just so short. And I worked around it.
I mean, I definitely did cut half of that stuff.
Yeah. I guess that's normal, though.
But I was, like, so upset because I said, really? Because my hair, because me with the exotic colors, it was a red piece. I said, how?
Oh, God.
Simply, how?
Yeah, it was red. So you tried a lot of colors.
Yeah, I've tried a lot of colors. I like trying different, like, I've never tried, like, hot pink or anything before.
It's cute. It's cute.
So I try to try something different every time I get my hair done.
Yeah, that hot pink is off the chain. It's just loud, like it's real, it's bright.
Yeah. I work with kids a lot, and I find it so funny because every time I get a different hairstyle, like, they're always like, oh my gosh, what are you going to get next? Like, they just think it's like so, they're like, oh wow.
They're ready to see your hair.
Yeah, they're like, I want to get hair like you when I grow up.
Yeah, what? Yup.
Like,
they love it. Now, what kind of kids do you work with?
So I'm an elementary education major, so I just work with I work with different, like last semester I was with 4th graders.
How is it? Are they bad?
I mean, honestly, I was with a really sweet class. You got something real nice. You wanna get with me, stop.
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same. What you say? You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be
should have looked.
But what would you do if everybody ganging up on you like that though? Like, look.
But like,
He said, "Yeah, alright." He said, "Yeah." No, he did not.
So how you don't tell your baby sister? Bro, so you basically saying she wrong every single.
man, just get it over with.
Why you keep standing in front of me? Because no one tells. She is not protecting. She's not protecting.
Understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like His lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah. I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah. Cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading.
You haven't predicament yet, so you
He basically got 2 girlfriends. I mean, truly.
He do. Honestly. But I don't think Blueface is all that. To me, he's not. I mean, yeah, he got money. But Blueface wasn't popping until Krishan came.
Nobody cared about him. Nobody.
Nobody.
Like, he made 1 hit, and I can't tell you any other song.
Yeah, Bust Down Tatiana.
How many more do we have?
And the sprints are baby, and I'm loving it. But I honestly don't know how I feel. I don't know y'all.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so Eric does everybody. What I do? We all talking. Okay, let's talk. Wait, everybody needs to know. Everybody can't have your speaker blowing through your ear. Real bad girls in this
Yeah, she the baddest one though. That's the point. She beat anybody up in the house.
Not another 2.
Including you, Natalie.
The other two.
Wait, so like, what's the point of the show?
It's
Is
no
it fighting?
point.
Oh, okay.
It's just drama, and then it was like you could it just made you, I don't know, it just made me like Krishan a whole lot. And I really watch it because of her.
Are there anybody that she's friends with on here?
Krishan?
Yeah.
Well, she ended up making a friend, but before it was a little rocky because she the youngest one on here, and they're kind of jealous of her because she, you know, go with Blueface. So yeah, she kind of got to deal with the girls being jealous of her at first because she already liked it. She already making money.
For what's money without happiness, or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect. So Puma hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie ou et mon bec. They own us, somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Ay, from the cradle to the grave. Ay, go that pumping up your chest. All that talk about the best. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this here, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they threw on my name, turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, Summerkbee, was never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb.
Chapters. Every chapter was an hour long about me.
That is so cute. I was scared, but I'm like, okay, it looks like it's supposed to look with the colors.
I'm back now from getting my hair done, and I wanted to show it like in the sunlight because I think it looks really good in the sunlight. But I think it looks really cute. My head hurts really bad because I got some food but I still haven't ate it yet, and I live where everyone drives by, literally, so everyone's looking at me like, what are you doing, girl? But anyways, I think it looks really cute, and I also think this style really fits me. And I'm just really excited for the experience that I had, because she's like one of the only stylists I've ever booked with that was like really cool with me recording and just like helping me maneuver it. So I really appreciated that. So I'm gonna leave her link if you're located in South Carolina and you want to get your hair done. Super sweet. She's super sweet, chill vibe. She wants to make sure that she gives you the style that you want, and literally I'll insert the picture of what I wanted versus what I got is practically this, which I'm super excited about.